Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. I'm back with another friend cards to share. These cards are very simple and easy to make. I use Mama Elephant Hampton art stamp set called Honey Bunny. I think I got this stamp set either from Michael's or Joanne fabric store. I already have my stamps on the lid of my Misti and I'm inking them up with Versafine Onyx black ink on 90-pound Strathmore watercolor paper. And now I'm going to color them with my Zig markers. For the first one, I used beige and I blended the color with the blender. And the second one is light brown and the same thing, blended the color with blender. And the last one is mustard. These images are super easy to color. I just use one color for each one of these images and then use the blender marker to blend the color. After the coloring is done, I'm going to die cut the bunnies with the coordinating die set. I'm going to use washi tape to tape the die on the image so it doesn't shift when I run them through my die cutting machine. So I'm using my Sidekick here, and I like the Sidekick because I can die cut small images like this and it doesn't take up a lot of space on your working desk or your space. The paper pad I'm going to use is this Heart Day by Crate Paper, and I'm going to use the XOXO black and white pattern paper, the floral pattern paper, and then the pink French pattern paper. I'm going to die cut the pattern papers with one of the dies from Elizabeth Craft Designs Dashing Rectangles. I cut paper 3 ink pure poppy cardstock to 1.5 inches and die cut the sides with the same die that I used for the pattern papers. For the sentiments, I use another stamp sets. This first one here is Up and Away stamp set, and I'm going to use Sending Smiles across the miles on the left side of the cardstock with Versafine Onyx black ink. The second stamp set is Picnic with Friends, and the sentiment I use is How lucky I am to have you as a friend. And I'm gonna do the same thing just like the first sentiment. I'm going to stamp it on the left side of the red cardstock with Versafine Onyx black ink. And then this last one is from the Honey Bunny stamp set, and this sentiment says Friends Forever. Let's go ahead and adhere everything together. I'm using strong double-sided tape on all of the pattern papers, and I'm adding them on A2 size top folding card bases, and my card bases are from paper 3 ink cardstock, and I'm also adhering the red strip with the sentiment on the upper part of the card. And we'll also adhere our images, our cute images, with foam tape on the right side of the sentiment. For the inside of the cards, I have some leftover from cutting the pattern papers, so I'm just gonna adhere them inside the cards on the left side of the card, and I'm adhering them with double-sided tape, and then I will cut the excess paper. And for the embellishment, I have some iridescent sequins, and I'm just going to adhere them with glossy accents. So I added 3 on the bottom and 2 on the top of the card. And my cards are complete. I love these super cute images, and these cards are super simple to make. I hope you like today's cards, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in the next video. Bye bye.